I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of your weather on the ones on this May 8th, which means, unfortunately, this is that time of the year where we are in peak pollen season. And you see the latest count up over 8, medium high on the scale. That's where we'll be today. And Friday and Saturday, those numbers continue to go up. So if you suffer from seasonal allergies, you're probably reaching for those eye drops or the tissues or those decongestants. And, you know, we got the tree pollen, the mold spores, ragweed, all of that really flourishing. You're probably noticing how quickly your grass is growing as well. Probably doing some mowing a lot, and maybe you've got plans to work in the garden next couple of days. Maybe you're planting some stuff for Mom for Mother's Day. Well, after today's unsettled weather, I think you're going to be in good shape through the weekend before some of those rain chances roll back in here as we get toward our Monday. But as I said, today gets a little bit on the unsettled side. Temperatures in the 70s, cooling down, but off and on hit or miss showers and storms certainly possible. You see that here by 4 o'clock. One or two of these could be strong enough to become a severe thunderstorm, but widespread severe weather is not expected. The good news is we start to get towards sunset, we lose that source of daytime heating, and a lot of this activity really fizzles out relatively quickly. We'll see northerly and northeasterly flow develop behind the front, and that will help to keep us relatively chilly. Notice tomorrow morning we're into the mid-50s heading back to work and school, and temperatures struggle to rebound, only right around 60 or so by the lunch hour, with a little bit warmer temperatures you get west of Kentucky Lake. You look at the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, the majority of us in that marginal risk, that's an isolated severe storm with a small sliver near the Tennessee line just being scraped by that slight risk. Better chance to see a severe thunderstorm will be as you work your way much farther toward the east. Mainly a damaging wind threat with any storms that pop up today, as well as some hail. You see highs today right around 70 degrees, and then tonight we'll dip down into the mid-50s, cooler than we have been the past couple of nights across the tri-state here, upper 40s north of the Ohio River. A great weekend is on the way as we look at the extended forecast temperatures in the 70s, near 80 on Mother's Day with clouds and sunshine, before rain starts to return by the early week.